Good morning, boys and girls, and how are you this morning? I hope you're well, and welcome to today's English lesson. It's all about vocabulary, and today we're going to discuss two vocabulary exercises. The first one is family members. Family members, okay? So I'm just going to enlarge on this a bit, and here we have a photo of a family, and we're going to very quickly read the text and try and complete the spaces in the picture with the missing family words. So here's a photo of my dad's side of the family. My dad's side of the family. So there's my dad. Okay, this is his family. My dad's got a big brother called Bob. Big brother called Bob. So this is the other person, other man here. So it's probably the dad's brother called Bob. He's my uncle, and he's great. He's so funny. His wife, Gemma, is my aunt. Aunt. So there's the aunt, Gemma, of course, and she's my dad's sister-in-law. She's also really nice. They've got two sons, Jimmy and his little brother Robin. Jimmy and little brother. So this probably is Jimmy and his little brother Robin. So they are the cousins of this person. They're my cousins. Jimmy is also my best friend. So Jimmy is also the best friend. Of course, my dad and Bob have the same mum and dad. The same mum and dad. So this is dad's mum and this is dad's dad. It's also Bob's mum and Bob's dad. They are my grandparents. I call them Grandma Diana and Grandpa Roger. They're really nice to me because I'm their only granddaughter. So the daughter is missing. So there's dad and mum is also missing as well. Okay, so let's take a look at the missing words here. What do you think goes for number one? Number one, Grandma Diana. Grandma Diana. Number two, Dad's brother. Dad's big brother. Okay. Number three, my something Bob. My uncle. Uncle Bob. Number four, my aunt Gemma. My aunt Gemma. Number five, Jimmy's little brother. Jimmy's little brother. Robin. My cousin. My cousin. Also, my cousin Jimmy or my best friend Jimmy. Okay, so do you know the family members again? This is Dad, Grandpa Roger, Grandma Diana, Uncle Bob, Aunt Gemma, my cousin Jimmy, and his little brother Robin. Okay, let's go to our next exercise on vocabulary, and it's all about feelings. Feelings. So, what are feelings? Feelings are like the emotions of a person. Okay, so it says here feelings match the sentences, and we're going to check what words do we have. Okay, so the first one is she's really upset and the teacher was angry. So upset, angry. I was very surprised to see so many people there. I'm really confused now. We're so proud of her. I was relieved when it was over. I was a bit worried. Where was she? And I was really scared at the end of it. And we are going to match numbers 1 to 8. So the first one says, our daughter was first in the race. Our daughter was first in the race. We are so proud of her. It was 9 p.m. and Mom wasn't home. 9 p.m. and Mom wasn't home. Where was she? That wasn't a nice thing to say to Miriam. That wasn't a nice thing to say to Miriam. She's really upset now. That maths lesson was really difficult. That maths lesson was really difficult. Mm, I was relieved when it was over. I wasn't expecting a big party. I wasn't expecting a big party. I was surprised to see so many people there. The students were really noisy. The students were really noisy. Students and teacher. It was a really good horror film. It was a really good horror film. I was really scared. The test was really hard. The test was really hard. I am confused now. I'm really confused now. Let's check our answers. Oops, we have two wrong. So we got to swap. The test was really hard and that maths lesson was really difficult. Okay, so let's swap that. Try again. That maths lesson was really difficult. I'm really confused now. And the test was really hard and I was relieved when it was over. So now let's check. And we have all correct answers. So our second exercise is we have to match the sentences in exercise 1 with the pictures. Write the numbers 1 to 8. So here we have pictures A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now we're going to match them with those feelings. So, our daughter was first in the race. We are so proud of her. Which photo does it match? Here, our daughter was first in the race. So let's match it there. It was 9 p.m. and Mom wasn't home. I was a bit worried. Where was she? There's 9 p.m. here. So 9 p.m. That wasn't a nice thing to say to Miriam. She's really upset now. She's really upset now. Here we go there. That maths lesson was really difficult. I'm really confused now. I'm really confused. This. I wasn't expecting a big party. I was very surprised to see so many people there. Surprised to see people here. The students were really noisy and the teacher was angry. Teacher was angry. It was a really good horror film. I was really scared at the end of it. Horror film. And the test was really hard. I was relieved when it was over. Oops, I think this one. And then maths lesson will go here. So maths lesson here and test here. Let's check. And what do we know? All correct answers. Okay, so let's get straight. When you log on to Google Classroom, you will find vocabulary for 6 green and vocab for 6 blue. Make sure you click on the correct class because it's scheduled for a certain time. When you click on to your task, it will take you to this document, vocabulary meanings. Please type in your own words. Do not copy and paste. Again, do not copy and paste. Type in your email address, your name and the class, and explain in your own words the meaning of upset, the meaning of angry, surprised, confused, proud, relieved, worried, and scared. And please don't forget to click submit when you are done. If you do not click submit, I will not receive your task. And Google will not mark this task for you today. I will mark it. So please be patient at the end of it. And that's it for today's lesson. Until next time, stay safe.